Hey guys, this is Steve doing a video for Tommy for the final for the final two spots in the Larry Bird Exquisite. Top two will each get a spot. Here's the list. I'm going to type live. It is 12:39. EJ, Eric for 2, David for 3, Bryce for 2, and James for 2. It is 12:39. We're going 8 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bryce and David are on top. It is 12:39. Eighth and final time. Top two. Excuse me. EJ and James. Congratulations, you two. EJ, you'll have spot 9. James, you'll have spot number 10. It is 12:40. We went 8 times. Go over here and type done. And it is 12:40. Thanks, guys.